Hello, everyone. Every step I'm about to explain has been confirmed by experts who work here in the shop. So take a deep breath. We're gonna solve this together. This warning is caused by the rear sensors. If they're covered in mud, snow, or moisture, the system loses its ability to see properly and shuts off to protect the driver. Not long ago, I interviewed a customer who was here and told me that simply cleaning the sensors made the alert disappear immediately. In the shop, we found that keeping the sensors clean usually solves a large part of these problems right from the start. On the other hand, recalibration also plays an important role. If the side mirrors or any component of the system have been replaced, the module needs to be adjusted. One of my clients told me that after changing parts, the alert kept appearing until recalibration was done. A technician at this shop explained to me that the system prefers to display the message rather than risk giving incorrect information about the traffic behind the vehicle. Sometimes the cause is in the software, or in the control module, or in the in control module. Outdated versions can cause the system to lose synchronization with the sensors. Making sure the software is up to date is key, and Land Rover publishes technical bulletins for these cases. Some clients noticed that after updating the system at the dealership, the alert disappeared completely and everything went back to working as it should. The electrical part also needs to be taken into account. Blown fuses, loose connectors, or interference in the modules can trigger the alert without any apparent reason. Workshop technicians always recommend checking the connections and fuses first, since many times this is the quickest and most effective solution compared to the others I mentioned earlier.